Hello and welcome to week 6, Building Healthy Team Relationships. I'm here in the dining room because eating together is such an important part. It might not be in a dining room, could be anywhere. Eating together is such an important part of building good relationships and spending more extended time together with different team members from other cultures, or possibly as a whole team as well. It's just really a helpful way. So that's the backdrop. An emphasis this week is communication. Communication. The key to good relationships. And we start off with the Jones, reading from the Gordon and Rosemary Jones, who've written this great book on teamwork in general. Not too much of a cultural or cross-cultural emphasis, but we can build on that. And they're basically just hammering home the point: good communication, fundamental to healthy relationships within a team. And then building on that, we go to Erin Meyer, and I've just chosen one chapter that highlights that we need to understand cultural differences even in communicating with each other. Different cultures build trust differently. And then building further on that, going to a specific situation, Ijin Cho has a great chapter on, well, it's mainly the case studies I'm focusing on for that chapter, he has I think 3 case studies of South Korean missionaries in multicultural teams and what they experienced. And as far as building trust goes, it's quite different for a South Korean than it would be, say, for a European or an Aussie. How you build trust, and in the case study 3, it's got a great example of that, and of how a South Korean team leader might try and build trust versus a Western team leader, which relates partly to the cultural dimension of task versus relationship as the key goal, I think, and that task relationship or task person difference is highlighted in, say, in a chapter by the Lingenfelters on ministering cross-culturally, but also in other books, and I think Erin Meyer probably has that somewhere in her book also. So I hope you have a great time this week thinking about how you could be a better communicator in your team.